A big hello to all the students over there. This is for those students who has right now completed their undergraduation or those students who have completed their class 12. Are you people thinking of what is next? How to pursue my career? How to shape it? And what to read and what not? I'm there to answer. If you like studying tiny microorganisms, their gene, their protein, and perform experiments using them, then come to the Department of Microbiology and Biotechnology under School of Life Sciences, Swami Vivekananda University. So, the Department of Microbiology and Biotechnology under the School of Life Sciences, Swami Vivekananda University offers 4 years program of undergraduate degree and 2 years program of postgraduate degree in these two subjects. Are you bored of classroom teaching? I know you are simply bored. So we offer not only classroom teaching but also we offer practical experiments being done in laboratories designed for biochemistry, immunology, microbiology, molecular biology, etc. In the experiments, have you ever imagined working with mouse? Really, a mouse? That cute little white mouse? Isn't it cute? But it's no more cute in the experiments because you have to sacrifice it for the experiments. And have you ever heard of zebrafish? Oh, what is zebrafish? Does it look like a zebra or a fish? I know this sounds much more interesting, and it is even more interesting when you work with them in the laboratories. Talking about research in the Department of Microbiology and Biotechnology, we have a designated research lab where we have instruments like HPLC, GC, AS, FTIR, UV visible spectrophotometer, RT-PCR that does a student need. And if you want to become an entrepreneur, we have the provision also. Like we conduct Smart India Hackathon, we conduct Nirman Mela Startup Fair where you can showcase your ideas in the form of prototypes and product formation. Even you can sell your product in the campus as well. So is it not a great opportunity for all the students right here turning up to be an entrepreneur or a researcher or just an academician? Now the question arises, after graduation, what to do? Does any student really exist who doesn't require a job? No. You will definitely require a job. We all require a job after studying. We, Swami Vivekananda University, offers placement opportunities in reputed companies like Cliniops, Clinosol, GCC Biotech, biological e-vaccines, etc. And we also offer industrial trainings in those subjects which are not included in the curriculum, like I may say active pharmaceutical ingredient production, clinical data management, medical scribing, medical coding, and what else? Also computational aptitude, artificial intelligence and machine learning in biopharma and biotechnological industries. So what are you waiting for? You are given a package of everything starting from studying, starting from research, ending up with placement opportunities. So what are you waiting for? Just don't give a second thought. I am there to explain everything for you. Come to the Department of Microbiology and Biotechnology and make your study experience even more interesting. Thank you.